Welcome back to Miss Eddie's Math Movies, where it's a cute to be a square. Today's lesson is 8.1, Polygons. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe polygons. These are the words that we're going to use to describe the polygons. So the first is convex, and convex is when no extended side passes into the interior of a polygon. Concave is the opposite, so this is when an extended side passes into the interior of a polygon. Alright, so I want you to imagine, let's say, this shape. If we extend these sides, extend them, they never go into the polygon. No sides go into the polygon. Now concave, I want you to look at this shape. If we extend all of these, look, they go into. This is the problem. This is concave because a side goes into the polygon. Notice here how it caves in. I kind of help you. So it caves in for concave. You've heard equilateral before. So this is when all sides are congruent. And this is when equiangular is when all angles are congruent. Regular is equilateral and equiangular. So, for example, equilateral, all sides the same. Equiangular, all angles are the same. And then regular is both of those, all the sides and all the angles. Hopefully you see the difference there. So now we're going to use these words. So make sure you understand them because we're going to use them to do the following examples. Decide whether the polygon is convex or concave. All right, well, if we extend these sides, oh, it goes in. That means it is concave. And you can see, too, that the shape is caving in there. All right, because an extended side passes into the polygon. Now this shape, if we draw all the sides, they never go in. So this is convex because no extended sides pass through the interior of the polygon. You're going to do the follow-up. Tell whether the statement is true or false. All triangles are convex. All triangles are concave. A triangle can be either convex or concave. So think about triangles. Try to draw some. And then draw a line to match the description with the name. Equilateral but not equiangular. So all the sides are the same but not all the angles. Which shape is that? All the angles are the same but not the sides. Choose that. And then the regular means equilateral and equiangular. Which shape is that? So you're going to do these now. Identify regular polygon. Decide whether the polygon is regular. So remember, we're looking for all congruent sides and all congruent angles. So let's look here. Is it equilateral? Are all the sides the same? Do all the sides have the same tick mark? No, look at this has 1 and this has 2. So it's not equilateral. It is equiangular though. But it has to be both to be regular. So this shape is not regular because it does not have equilateral. Check this. All sides have the same tick mark. Yes, it's equilateral. Is it equiangular? Yes, all sides have the same, or all angles have the same arc mark. So it is both equilateral and equiangular, which makes it regular. In letter C, all the sides have the same tick mark, so that's equilateral. But if you look at the angles are definitely not the same. This angle doesn't match this angle and certainly doesn't match that angle right there. So it's not equiangular. So it's not both, so it cannot be regular. You must be both equilateral and equiangular to be regular. Draw the polygon described. Equilateral, but not equiangular. Okay, so for this, we could draw a rhombus if we wanted. Look at all 4 sides are the same, but not all the angles are the same. Equiangular, but not equilateral. So all the angles are the same, but not all the sides. For that, we could draw a rectangle. Convex and regular. So convex means it doesn't cave in at all. So we could do a triangle, doesn't cave in. And regular means all sides are the same and all angles are the same. Convex but not regular. Well, we could do lots of different shapes, so it just can't cave in. So how about that triangle? That's not convex, right? I mean, that is convex, I'm sorry. It does not cave in. But all the sides and the angles are not the same. Tell whether the statement is true or false. An equilateral triangle is also regular. So if a triangle has all 3 sides the same, does that make all 3 angles the same? That is true. And the opposite is also true. If all of the angles are the same, then all the sides are going to be the same. So that is true as well. Decide whether the polygon is convex or concave. So that's first. Convex or concave. Then it says decide if it's regular. And then explain. I want you to go ahead and do this now. Also for good practice, let's have you name the polygon. So is it a pentagon, a hexagon, a quadrilateral, a triangle? This is M Cubed signing out.